Hi guys, in this two-part tutorial we're gonna make this awesome accordion using CSS, HTML and JavaScript. So let's start by creating our index.html and style.css. Let's generate our boilerplates here. We change the document name to accordion. Let's add the link tag to our CSS file. To get these icons, we need fontawesome. I will put up the link in the description below. So let's copy the link and paste it here. Now let's start writing our markup. We're gonna have a div with the class container. It will have a div with the class accordion. This accordion will have 4 panel child. Each one of them, it will have a header and a body. Let us style it. We're gonna start by a general resizing of the margin and the padding. We're gonna add a box sizing of a border box. For the font, we're gonna use Arial, and it will have a font size of 10 pixels. The class container, it will have a width of 100%, a height of 100 view height, and also background color. To center this accordion, we're gonna use a display flex with the property align item center and justify content center. If you know nothing about flexbox, I put up a link to my course about it in the description below. You should check it. Now let's start styling our accordion. It will have a width of 100%, a max width of 60 rem, a margin 0 for the top and the bottom, and auto for the left and the right, a padding 0 for the top and the bottom, and 1.5 rem for left and right. Let's grab the panel. It will have a background color, a margin bottom of 1 rem, a padding of 1 rem, for the panel header, it will have a font size of 1.2 rem, a color white, a background color, a width of 100%. To center the elements of the header, we're gonna use display flex with the properties align item center and justify content space between. Let's add the padding of 1 rem and 0. And the cursor pointer. Let's hide the caret up by targeting the class fa-caret-up and add to it display none. Now let's style the panel body. It will have max height of 15 rem and overflow hidden and background color. Let's target the P. It will have a font size of 1.1 rem and the color and the padding of 2 rem. Now let's create this effect. To do that, we're gonna start by giving the panel body a position relative. After that, we're gonna use the selector after. It will create a content After each panel body, it will have a content empty, a position absolute, right 0, top 0, and a width of 3 rem, a height of 100%, a background color. If we save this and look, you notice that we created it. If we add opacity 0, it will hide it. Let's add the property transform translate x plus 3 rem, and when we hover over the panel body, we're gonna give the opacity a value of 1 and the transform a value of translate x 0. If you save it and get a look, it works fine. You just need one thing, and that is transition with the value 0.3 second. So that is it for this video. In the next one, we're gonna create the accordion effect using JavaScript. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It will help me a lot.